What's up, man? This your boy Walt Disney, man. I'm still doing it. I still do my thing, you dig? Why not? You know I do my thing. Young nigga. Doing this shit, cause I'm doing this shit. Doing this shit, cause I'm doing this shit. More racks on racks on racks, pets on pets, getting moved. Piker Super Bowl move, Steelers known to steal ring. Trapping, I know a settle scene. They trying to get me for the white while I'm smoking on the green and I'm drinking on the brown. Salmon Sosa color changer. On the Lone Ranger, the John Wayne Young gun, money on the table, no receipts or refunds. Reaper trying to get me, what kind of brutal shit is they on? I sold my soul and went mine in the first place. I told God we finna get it back. Walt Disney tell God it was all about the rats. Charger in the garage, jacuzzi upstairs large, weed in the closet, bass in the hall. Filled up with money, ain't no need for a bank. My niggas is a team, get money, guard the safe. Hitting out your wife, we are letting nice. Cut her up in little pieces, she's a sacrifice. Jennifer body say Walt Disney had to eat me in the woods, but my flesh is poison goods. The ghost working through me. I can feel it when I'm moving. My life's like a movie. More dough, more blow, more groupies, more dough, no soul, no movies, no reason to be moving. I'm trying to win, but it seems like I can't help but losing. Even though the scars I'm bruised in, they got me in the cage, got me boxed in, and threw away the key. Why they got me locked in? Man, I'm trying to get that money that white brain blocks in. I done brought the whole block in. I took the hood to Hollywood, I called it Hollywood. But it's all good. Walt Disney smoke, it's all wood. Red hat, red flat, tattoos, Ray-Bans, white smile, no goals, iced out, on froze, hold on. Every day, my name should be Ralph Lauren. Anyway, tell me here, nigga, I kill a nigga. For real, you know I'm a gorilla.